Going back to the assignment text, you can check on the timing instructions. So the assignment says that we should simulate 1 second in real world with 50 milliseconds in our running VI. This means actually that for one iteration of the loop, the simulated vehicle speed in meters per second is equivalent to the covered distance during that one loop iteration. So we can use this value directly. If we connected it this way, so just going around these other elements so that we don't get confused, let's go to the covered distance. We can run our VI, and what happens is you only get, sorry, we have to change the gear, so you only get the value of covered meters per loop iteration. So when you are running at some what is this, around 88 kilometers per hour, you cover 24 meters during 1 second, or the simulated 1 second, which is actually 50 milliseconds. When you slow down to 65 kilometers per hour, around 65 kilometers per hour, you go down to 18 meters per 1 second. But this is not what we want to see. We want to see the covered distance not during one loop iteration, but during the whole time that the car has been running. Also, one other problem, I have turned off the car, the speed is 0, and still the covered distance shows 18 meters for each loop iteration. So now we have some idea of the stuff that we need to change. For one, we need to go through the case structure. When the case structure says, when the case structure runs the true frame, we can forward the amount of meters covered. But of course we have the blank tunnel here. But when the frame is false, we will probably have to forward a 0 value, since the car will not be moving, speed will be 0. If it is turned off, then the covered distance should also be 0, or at least during those loop iterations when the car is not turned on.